welcome back. It is your favorite heifer, the crafty one, and I have a fun unboxing for you today. It has been a hot minute since I have gotten one of these packages. So for those of you that know what this box means, I did get this in the mail literally like an hour ago, so I wanted to get on here and get this opened up so that I could share with you guys the fun stuff that I got from DAC this weekend. I jumped into that Saturday fight to get the new releases. This is a new release, and let me just go ahead and open it so that I can show you guys what I got. Now this one, there's a story behind this one. It is a Mandy Manzano. We all know I love Mandy Manzano. She's a fantastic artist and a wonderful person as far as I can tell. Don't know her personally, but everything I know about her tells me this. And so I had wanted this one. I saw it on her page many moons ago, and I wanted to get this one as soon as I saw it. I knew I wanted this one. Now, back when I first saw it, I had asked her in a live chat. She was in a chat, and I had asked her about it. Several other people had asked her about it, and she said, no, it would never be a diamond painting. Well, I was on Instagram last week, and lo and behold, this thing pops up. And I immediately knew I had to have it. Wasn't really in the budget. I haven't really been diamond painting, but I needed this one in my life. So, the one I'm talking about is, of course, Mandy Manzano's The 10th. And I realize I'm not getting a very good picture here, but it is her 10th Doctor from Doctor Who. It is round with AB. It's 20 by 28 inches. And so we're going to get into this and see if we can't figure out what the ABs are. I'm super excited about this one. As you can see, I literally have not gotten into it at all, which is unusual for me because I usually open it at work, but we did have someone this week test positive at work. So we are all back. We're going to come back to these here in a second. We are all back at home. All its only necessary personnel. So I've been in for a few hours, and now I am home for the day. So let's see what we have here. Oh, so pretty already. There's something in here. Oh, yay. I finally got one. Okay. I think that's it for what's in the box. Maybe. Nope. I was just playing. I think my toolkit's down in there. Yep, my toolkit is down in the bottom. Okay. Now we got it. So, in a DAC toolkit, for any newbies that we might have, you get a pen, just a standard pen. You get a clear tray with a spout. Looks like so, and these are actually pretty good to use. If you're a beaded cross stitcher, these are really good for beaded cross stitch because your spout is small enough that you can pour it back into your containers. Any kind of containers or a bag or whatever. You get a squishy to help with your pen. You get two, you get two waxes, heart-shaped, of course, because we love our Diamond Art Club. I got a 3-placer in this one. And then you get some plastic baggies that you can put your spare diamonds in if that is your choice. I use those plastic baggies for long-term storage, so after I've finished a painting, I will use those to put leftover drills in, and then I have one of those picture shoebox things that I use, so that will go into my spare kit. Now let's look here. This has 45 colors, and it looks like my ABs may have 1 or maybe 2. Let's get into it. So, as you can see, it comes wrapped in a lovely bag here. And it comes wrapped around the drills now, apparently. That is a new thing that they weren't doing before. So let's open this up. There's my little flyer. We'll set those to the side. And let's see if we can see this thing. Oh my goodness. Ah, I'm so excited. You guys. Oh wow, look at that. That is fantastic. Oh my goodness. Ah, can you see this, you guys? And his coat, and it just flows. You've got a bit of the TARDIS right down here at the bottom. And I love his trench coat. The way that it flows in this picture. You've got his red tie, his blue suit, the hair, of course. I'm wondering if this is supposed to be Gallifrey over here. I think maybe it's supposed to be Gallifrey. I'm not positive about that. But I think Gallifrey is that color when you see it from space. Oh, I absolutely love this. I'm going to turn it sideways so I have a little more room on the desk. You guys. Oh, I cannot wait to start this one. If I had not literally just started Shepherd's Cottage last week, kitted it up and started it, I would so be kitting this up and starting it today. I'm that excited about it. I'm very excited about this. So there's our picture. I am appreciative actually that he does not have a face. I'm okay with this. Faces freak me out. But I know there's some people that non-faces freak them out. So, alright, so let's see. This one is the 10th. It is no longer has a date on it. So let's look at our colors. So I can see our AB right off the top. Oh, yeah, we do have more than one AB. Okay. So let's turn this right side up, for me at least. There is a 797, which is a lovely TARDIS blue. That's about the color that my vehicle is, actually, and I call her Clara. So for those of you that are Doctor Who fans, you know what the significance of that name is. There's 820, which I expected to be in here. 141, that's one of my ABs. And then it looks like 136 is the other AB. You guys, this blue, I don't know if this is picking up on camera, but it is amazing. 977, 519. Oh, I cannot wait to start this. So excited. Like, I am stupid excited about this. Alright, we have 939, 310, which we have 3 of those, and 9971, which looks like a very, very dark brown. So there's a lot of darker colors in it, which, of course, it's space, so I wasn't not expecting those, you know what I mean? And then we have some flesh tones, and then all of our outer space colors here. Yes, these colors are making me very happy. I'm super excited about this. I think this is going to be amazing. I can't tell you guys how excited I am about it, honestly. All right, let's see. If I remember correctly, we were here and here, maybe. Anyway, I will get this all back up nice and pretty to get it back into the bag. So, excuse me for a crinkle break. And we're going to just set that to the side. So, this is DAC Mandy Manzano the 10th. I'm super stoked about it. You guys, I can't tell you how excited. I'm so happy that DAC listened to all the requests and Mandy Manzano listened to all the requests to get this one made, because a lot of people I know really, really wanted this one, and when we were told that we weren't going to get it, we were disappointed but understanding, and I'm happy that they changed their mind and managed to do it. So this one will be in rotation at some point very soon, because this one is for me. And it's going to get hung on the wall for sure, probably, honestly, right over here in my craft area. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a diamond painting video or unboxing of any kind. I do still have I've got Shepherd's Cottage, which I just started working on. And you guys know that one is very large. It's bigger than this one. So I've got that one that I've started, and then I've got another Doctor Who one. I've got this one, and then I've got a Christmas one, and then I've got a cow, and then I've got that Victoria's Moon that I never quite finished. So I have plenty to keep me busy between this and stitching. I did get some fun stitchy stuff, but that will be in my floss tube. So you guys, The 10th by Mandy Manzano, I can't wait to start this. If you also purchased this one and also are going to start this one, please, please follow me over on Instagram, and I'm going to be watching to see who opened this and who has it in their stash and who's working on it. And I can't wait to see what you guys think of it as you work on it. So till I see you guys next time, happy diamond painting, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.